Ambassadors and high commissioners will play a critical role in carrying our flags wherever they have been accredited to. For us as a nation, we have seen the development of parliamentary democracy this year after the elections last year, and we are so fortunate to be part of the great process in the history of our government. So thank our Minister, Honorable Kumbombola, for his leadership and also guidance throughout this year. I must thank you for all that you have done, and in saying so, I also wish to convey to our families, our sponsors, my heartfelt gratitude for all their support towards the ministry for this year.
It's a great honor for me to stand here this evening to basically say thank you, one and all, for everything that we've achieved this year. Thank you for all the support, and I thank you personally for all the guidance and for giving me the privilege of leading you this year for Minister and I. It's been a good year for me personally, and I have nothing to regret. And I'm so honored to be working amongst a good team, in fact, an excellent team, who have benefited greatly for me and my family, from you personally, and also from your families. And I take this time to basically say thank you.